Welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. And we got something pretty dope today. First collaboration. Before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and invite your friends and family. The NBA is officially back and it's really exciting. I can't wait. I can't wait to see which rookies are on my team, Thunder, go crazy. But I'm also looking forward to a couple of other teams, like the Bulls, for example. I kind of want to see what the Warriors are going to do. You know, those are just a couple, for example. But let's go ahead and get on into the video. All right, and we are back. So it's time to take a look at what we picked up today. It's something pretty nice here, all right? A collab from OVO and NBA, if I'm correct. I don't think OVO has done a collab with the NBA. I think this is the first one. So this is pretty cool. This just goes to show you how big Drake is getting. Drake is getting really huge. Pause. It's just like, man. Like, how much more can this man do at this point? He has Jordan brand. He's making a collab with Nike. He's also got a collab with the NBA, so that's pretty crazy to me. Okay, and oh, the box was a little beat up when it came to, so this is what we picked up. Now I wanted to get the hat, but the hat was sold out, so I wasn't able to pick up the hat. And I plan on going to a Bulls game, so I can check out the Charlotte Hornet versus the Bulls. Wow, he has his own OVO box. That's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. And here it is, the Drake OVO Bulls. Really, really dope. I like that. So when I go to the game, I'm gonna wear this. If I'm correct, it is a short sleeve t-shirt, size large. I just think it's dope, man. I'm not gonna open it, you know how I roll, but just showing you it. But definitely gonna wear it to the Bulls game, and I will vlog that when I go, so you'll see me in that. But really dope shirt, man. I really missed out on the hat. I wanted to get the hat, but honestly, I didn't know what size I wear in 5950, because I haven't worn 5950 in so long. So I was able to cop the shirt. There was some other things on there. They had a nice jacket. That was like 600 bucks, but they had some pretty cool stuff on there. But other than that, I really like this collab. I hope Drake does more, because this is pretty dope. The Toronto one wasn't bad. There's Miami Heat, New York Knicks. There was a couple other teams in there too. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Scoofy here, and I'm out.